Let's be honest. Creating a professional ebook used to mean hiring multiple people, a writer, an editor, a designer, and sometimes even a formatter. That's time consuming and expensive. But with EbookWriter AI, you can replace all of that and create a complete publish-ready ebook in minutes. Here's how it works. You start by entering your topic or idea. The EbookWriter AI instantly generates your ebook content, well written, structured, and ready to go. No need to hire a writer or spend days typing everything out. Next, instead of paying for a designer, the AI helps you format your ebook and even create a beautiful cover, all automatically. You can adjust fonts, layouts, and templates to match your brand. No design skills required. Need proofreading or editing? The AI polishes your content instantly, so you don't have to pay extra for revisions or editing services. In just minutes, you've done what used to take a full freelance team, saving you time, money, and stress. Ready to create stunning professional ebooks without hiring anyone? Click the link in the description and start using EbookWriter AI today.